Hello, friends. This is Natasha and the Cryptemic Academy. In this episode, we'll cover key news on cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, and innovations in financial technology. Stay tuned. New York City Mayor Eric Adams is stepping down, threatening the city's crypto initiative. Adams's decision not to seek re-election creates uncertainty for New York City's crypto strategies, including the Bitcoin bond, the Digital Asset Council, and the liberalization of the BIT license. The fate of these initiatives will depend on the November 4th elections, where Mamdani and Cuomo could set different courses. SWIFT launches a pilot project on the Linea blockchain. Linea, developed by ConsenSys, will unite banks, BNP Paribas and BNY Mellon, for a private exchange and test of stablecoins based on ZK technology. The Linea token has risen by 10.6%. The pilot is a step toward blockchain payments between banks. Ross Ulbricht is returning to the crypto community. The pardoned Silk Road founder spoke at Bitcoin 2025, emphasizing freedom and decentralization. The effect was largely symbolic, but discussions about regulation and ethics intensified. UK shop inflation reached a 19-month high. The BRC shop price index rose to 1.4%. Risks of delayed rate cuts by the Bank of England, pressure on retailers and households, consumers are shifting to own label. Gary Gensler's lost texts. Congress demands an explanation. The auto-deletion of 2022 to 2023 messages from the former SEC chief's devices raises transparency issues, given the SEC's fines against companies for recording communications. Litecoin ETF. The SEC is simplifying the process. Issuers are dropping 19B-4 and focusing on S-1s after generic listing standards. The process is potentially faster, but the timing depends on the disclosures in the prospectuses. U.S. shutdown, crypto regulation on pause. Federal agencies are partially closed. The SEC/CFTC may delay decisions on ETFs and regulations. Market reactions are mixed. Safe haven demand and increased volatility are possible for BTC. SUI launches SUI USDE, a high-yield digital dollar, Athena-based strategy, reserves plus futures hedge. SUI buybacks using proceeds. USDI is in development with BlackRock support. Liquidity for DeFi is growing, but regulatory and market risks remain. Ripple CTO David Schwartz is stepping down after 13 years. He's transitioning to the board of directors and pursuing personal projects. The successor is crucial. The pace of XRPL development, validator trust, and partner onboarding depend on him. New York imposes an excise tax on POW miners. S8518. Graduated tax up to $0.05 per kilowatt hour. Green facilities exempt. Supporting sustainability versus risk of cost increases and miner relocation. Etsy witches are selling spells to crypto millionaires. Viral TikTok videos are fueling demand for these rituals, which cost between $20 and $73. The community is cracking jokes, and experts are warning against exploiting the hopes of inexperienced investors. That concludes our episode. Do you think new stablecoins and DeFi solutions like SUI USDE can accelerate institutional adoption of blockchain? Will Schwartz's departure and the New York elections change the balance of power in the industry? And will the mining tax lead to a green shift or an exodus of companies from the state? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to delve deeper into crypto trends and learn how to effectively manage assets, visit the Cryptemic Academy. We have courses on trading, security, and analytics. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next episode.